Press the saute button, add the oil with the fenugreek seed and the cumin seeds. Add the chopped up garlic. Let it cook a little bit. Add the spinach and the kale along with all the spices. Then allow it to saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Looks like it's partially cooked and water has been released. Now we will add the dal. Now I will add some water. You can add more water if you want more liquid dal. Do a manual high pressure setting of 4 minutes and then do a natural release after 10 minutes. Serve with roti or dal and enjoy.